Imagine a world where the floor never sleeps, the lights never flicker, and the air is filled with a rhythmic hum of 10,000 machines. We are standing inside a structure so massive it has its own zip code, a $10 billion cathedral of steel and silicon. This isn't just a factory, it is the heartbeat of a new American empire. While the world talks about the future, one company decided to build it from the ground up. Right now, as you watch this, a dance precision is happening that no human hand could ever replicate. This is the story of how Tesla turned a patch of dirt into the most advanced manufacturing organism on Earth. Look up. The ceiling disappears into a haze of white light. Look around. Miles of conveyor belts weave through the air like the veins of a giant. We are inside the Gigafactory, a place where the concept of impossible is deleted from the code every single day. The electric revolution didn't start in a laboratory. It started here, in the heat of the forge and the glow of the laser. Today, we're going behind the security gates to see the AI-powered gods of machine age. Welcome to the World Robot Factory. For decades, manufacturing was something we sent overseas, but the tide has turned. This factory represents a return of the American Titan, a fusion of raw power and digital intelligence that is rewriting the rules of global industry. It begins with a rumble. Hundreds of trucks and trains arrive daily, carrying the Earth's bones, aluminum, steel, and lithium. These raw, cold materials are the food for the beast. Without them, the robots have nothing to create. Massive robotic cranes descend from the rafters, moving with a grace that defies their weight. They pluck multi-ton coils of steel as if they were feathers. There is no shouting, no confusion, just a steady, calculated movement of automated logistics. We move deeper, where the air grows hot. This is the home of the Gigapress. It's a machine the size of a house, exerting thousands of tons of pressure to turn molten metal into a single, solid piece of a car's chassis. Where other companies weld 70 different parts together, Tesla's robots cast them as one. It's faster, stronger, and lighter. It is a masterclass in radical simplification. And it's a secret weapon that leaves competitors in the dust. Nearby, the stamping line is a symphony of thunder. Giant dies slam down with the force of falling meteor, shaping body panels with sub-millimeter precision. Every strike is a heartbeat in the life of a new vehicle. Now we enter the main floor. Thousands of crimson robotic arms, the Kuka and Fanuc units, surround us. They don't just move, they dance. They weave in and out of each other's paths with a synchronization that would make a ballet troupe jealous. Sparks fly like 4th of July fireworks as laser welders join the panels. There is no room for error here. If a weld is off by the thickness of human hair, the AI sensors flag it instantly and the line adjusts. But who is really in charge here? Is it the engineers in the glass offices? Or has the factory itself become self-aware? The answer lies in the software, the invisible ghost in the machine that monitors every single bolt. Every robot is connected to a central nervous system. This AI doesn't just follow instructions. It learns. If a robot encounters resistance, it communicates that data to every other machine in the fleet within milliseconds. Before we see the battery assembly, the most secretive part of the factory, I want to ask you, would you trust a car built entirely by a robot? Let me know in the comments. Your insights help us build a better channel, just like these robots build a better car. We are now entering the dry room. This is where the magic happens. Thousands of individual battery cells are flying down the line, being arranged into the massive packs that serve as the floor of the car. This isn't just a battery. It's a thermal masterpiece. Robots apply specialized glue and cooling ribbons with the delicacy of a surgeon. One mistake here could be catastrophic, but the machines never tire and they never blink. This is the most dramatic moment in the factory. The marriage. The fully assembled battery pack meets the car body. Two massive robotic platforms align, and in one smooth motion, the soul of the car is bolted to its frame. In a traditional factory, this process takes hours. Here, it happens in seconds. The efficiency is terrifyingly beautiful. It's the reason why thousands of cars roll off this line every single week. Next, we move to a silent, sterile world. The paint shop. Robots with specialized atomizers spray the chassis in a mist of color. It's a closed-loop system. designed to waste virtually zero paint while achieving a mirror-like finish. You might wonder, where are the people? They are here, but their roles have changed. They aren't turning wrenches. They are the doctors of the machines. They monitor screens, analyze data, and ensure the silicon heart keeps beating. Tesla uses AI to track human movement too. If a task is too strenuous for a person, a robot is redesigned to take it over. It's a partnership between biological creativity and mechanical endurance. Inside the cabin, smaller, more nimble robots install seats and dashboards. These machines use computer vision to see the interior, ensuring every stitch and every screw is perfectly aligned for the driver. Stop. Listen to that. That silence? That's the sound of a factory running at 99% efficiency. It's a hauntingly quiet revolution that is changing the face of the American economy forever. As the car nears completion, it passes through a tunnel of light. High-resolution cameras scan every inch of the paint and panel gaps. This is a final exam, and the examiner is an AI that never gets tired. The car is birthed. It rolls onto a set of rollers, its motors screaming to life for the first time. The robots check the brakes, the suspension, and the electronics. If it passes, it earns its badge. Outside, the finished vehicles are loaded onto automated haulers. The cycle is complete, from raw dirt to a high-tech machine. The journey took less time than it takes most people to finish their workday. $10 billion. That's what it cost to build this. But the return isn't just in profit. It's in the proof that high-scale manufacturing can thrive in the West when powered by extreme automation. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the future of industry, hit that subscribe button. We travel the globe to bring you inside the world's most advanced factories. And we don't want you to miss the next one. The Gigafactory isn't just making cars, it's making energy. The roof is covered in thousands of solar panels. It is designed to be a closed-loop system, eventually running entirely on the sun that shines down upon it. Even the water is managed by AI. The factory recycles millions of gallons, ensuring that the environmental footprint is as small as possible. It is a green giant, breathing in sunlight and breathing out innovation. But Tesla isn't alone. From China to Germany, the race to build the ultimate robot factory is heating up. This is a Cold War technology, where the winner decides who controls the next century of transport. We have to ask a hard question. What happens to the workers? As robots get smarter, the need for manual labor vanishes. We are facing a shift in the human story, a transition from doing to thinking. The children of today won't be assembly line workers. They will be roboticists, data scientists, and AI trainers. The Gigafactory is a school as much as it is a plant, forcing us to level up our skills. Does a world run by robots have a place for the human spirit? As we automate our survival, we must find new ways to define our value. The machines give us time. The question is, what will we do with it? Elon Musk once called this the alien dreadnought, a machine that builds a machine. We are seeing the first version of that vision, a factory so complex it can only be understood by another computer. During global crises, these factories prove their worth. While others shut down, the automated lines kept moving. They are the armor of the modern economy, resilient against the chaos of the world. A Tesla factory can be updated like a smartphone. Overnight, a new line of code can change how every robot on the floor operates. This flexibility is the true power of the $10 billion investment. Soon, the semi-trucks leaving these gates will be self-driving too. A total ecosystem of automation. From the lithium mine to the customer's driveway, the circle of AI is nearly complete. But what happens when these robots start building other robots? We are on the verge of the recursive age, where technology begins to evolve without us. Walking among the car-building robots are the prototypes for Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot. Imagine thousands of these bipeds working alongside the arms, creating a factory that looks like a sci-fi movie. The technology perfected here will soon build planes, houses, and medical devices. The Gigafactory is the blueprint for the 22nd century. If you know someone who thinks manufacturing is a dead industry, share this video with them. Show them the glow of the lasers and the speed of the AI. Let's change the narrative together. Every Gigafactory creates an explosion of local wealth. New homes, new businesses, and new infrastructure follow the robots. It is a digital gold rush, and the mines are made of silicon. The dream used to be a white picket fence. Today, it's a sustainable planet powered by high-tech ingenuity. This factory is a monument to that new aspiration. Standing here, looking at the sheer scale of human achievement, it's hard not to feel small. But remember, every line of code, every steel beam, and every robotic movement began as a thought in a human mind. We are at the dawn of the most significant transition in human history. The Gigafactory is more than a building. It is a declaration. It says that we will not go quietly into the night. We will build our way into the light. As the sun sets over the massive roof of the factory, the lights inside stay bright. The robots don't get tired. They don't go home. They continue the work of building the future, one car at a time. Thank you for traveling inside the machine with us. If you want to see more of the world's most incredible factories, make sure you like this video and join our community. What factory should we invade next? The future is being built right now. It's loud, it's fast, and it's beautiful. This is World Robot Factory. We'll see you in the next revolution.